Welcome to Condense. In this video, we'll cover how you can manage your account actions, specifically signing out and deleting your account. To sign out, navigate to the Settings menu and select Account Actions. Here, you'll see the Sign Out button. Simply click on it and you'll immediately be logged out of Condense. Keep in mind that after signing out, you'll need to log in again to access your Condense account. If you'd like to permanently delete your Condense account, carefully click on Delete Account. For your security, a modal will appear asking you to confirm this action. Type the exact text shown on the screen into the confirmation box. This step ensures you don't accidentally delete your account. Once confirmed, your account will be permanently deleted, and you'll lose access to all your data. Here's a bonus tip for you. You can also access the Logout button from the top navigation on any screen of the Condense application. Just click on the drop-down beside your avatar and select the Logout button.